How to register a BTCC account. First, register for a BTCC account. Click on Register and enter your email address or phone number. Set up your password, verify your email, and enter your password again. After that, select your country and upload a valid identification document to verify your identity. Once the verification is complete, your registration is done. How to buy USDT with credit card on BTCC. First, switch to the Deposit tab and choose Fiat Deposit. Then select your payment option as Visa or Master. Enter your credit card information. Then select the payment currency and amount. Read the terms and hit confirm to submit your order. Job's done. How to do spot trading in BTCC. First, switch to the Spot Trading tab. Then, select your trading pair. Choose Buy or Sell, then choose an order type. Enter the order price and order amount. Hit Confirm to submit your order. Job's done! How to open a long position on BTCC. First, switch to the USDT tab, then select your trading pair. Choose your trade direction and order type. Then select the leverage, which could amplify your gain. Enter order price and order amount. Finally, press Buy or Long. Click Confirm to submit your order. Job's done! How to do demo trading. First, go to Trade tab and switch to Demo mode. You should see this message indicating that trading mode was switched. Switch to Futures tab, then select USDTM or Coin M and your trading pair. After that, enter your order price and amount and open your position. Click Confirm to submit your demo order. You can check your position here, and all the gain and loss will not be connected to your actual account. You can test out your trading strategies with zero cost. How to do copy trading. First, switch to the Copy tab. Then, select your lead trader. Check his or her trading performance and make your decision. After confirming the leader trader, choose using fixed margin or proportional margin. Enter margin per order and maximum margin to use. If you want a more advanced setting, you can set up take profit and stop loss. Then click Copy Trade Now. Click Confirm and you can start copying the trader. How to get 10,055 USDT reward in BTCC. First, click New User Exclusive in Campaign section. Then check the latest mission and navigate to the corresponding page. We collect our rewards by submitting one spot trading order. After completing task, we can find our rewards here. They will be distributed as coupons and being used to cover trading fees automatically.